Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. I will show you how to open an account and use Huobi Exchange in this tutorial. At the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to sign up, transfer or buy crypto, stake, open and close spot and margin orders, participate in events and many more options. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to not miss out on our latest videos. Also, you can follow our other social media accounts such as our Telegram channel and Twitter page to keep up with the latest news and updates. Now let's get started. Huobi Global is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges and it was founded in 2013 in Beijing to provide a cryptocurrency trading platform for individuals in Asia. Huobi Global supports trading for more than 500 cryptocurrencies and continuously adds new assets. Let's start with how to sign up. As in every other exchange, you must pay transaction fees for your market orders. And if you sign up with the link you can find below this video, you will receive a 10% discount from those transactions. All you need to do is to click on this link and sign up with your email account or phone number. Also make sure that this referral code box is not empty. After signing up, our first task is to complete our KYC process. Each centralized exchange must verify its users to prevent money laundering and other criminal activities. To do that, we need to click on this profile icon and select identification. Customer ID verification has 3 different stages. Each adds new privileges such as no upper limits when buying crypto assets. But you must unlock level 3 verification to buy crypto. You can verify your profile with your ID card, passport or driving license. For level 2 and 3 verification, you must upload several selfies and a personal payment receipt such as your recent internet bill. The whole verification process usually takes up to several hours and after being done with it, you can start investing in crypto market. The first step will be transferring or buying crypto assets. On top of the left side, there is a buy crypto button. There are 2 ways of buying crypto in the Huobi exchange, but the fastest and safest way to buy crypto with fiat currency is to buy it with your bank or credit card. You can click on this quick buy and sell button and select which fiat currency you would like to pay and which cryptocurrency you would like to buy. After selecting fiat and cryptocurrency options, we need to click on this credit debit card button and add our card details. After purchasing our first crypto asset, we can look at its current value from the balances button. You can divide your crypto into several wallets such as spot account, margin account, fiat account, etc. And this makes it hard for you to track every single asset to see its current value. To shorten that time, Asset Overview shows how much worth of crypto we have in total in our account. Spot accounts are specific for the spot market orders and your cryptocurrencies are usually kept in your spot wallets. You can use this transfer button to transfer crypto assets within your wallets such as your fiat, isolated margin, cross margin, coin futures, coin perpetual, pool, etc. After selecting which wallet you would like to transfer, you can click on this box and select which cryptocurrencies you would like to transfer and the amount. We also have withdraw and deposit options here. To withdraw crypto from Huobi to another wallet, we must select which crypto we want to send and which network we would like to use for this transfer. We must add the wallet address in this box and always double check before you complete the transaction. If you are unfamiliar with the wallet process, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials. Let's say you want to deposit crypto or someone else to send crypto to your Huobi account. Then you must click on this deposit button and select which cryptocurrency you want and which network you prefer. After selecting the coin and the network, click on this box and your wallet address is ready. You can copy or send this address or the barcode for the payments. Now that we have completed our KYC and deposited our first cryptocurrency, our next step is to protect our account. Why? Since the crypto is in digital form, it makes it easy for hackers to steal your assets. After all it takes is one tiny mistake and that's it. All your hard work savings are gone within a minute. And the worst thing is that you cannot do anything about it. As setting a password only is not enough, you must have the 2-step authentication set for your account to prevent that. This way, whenever you or someone else tries to enter your account or transfer assets to another wallet, you or the hacker has to complete a set of security codes. You will receive these codes on your mobile phones as a message and on your email accounts. Last but not least, it is always best to download an authenticator and link it with your profile to prevent any risks. Now let's go to the homepage and explore the market option. As I said earlier, Huobi Global supports trading for more than 500 cryptocurrencies, and you can access, observe, and trade every single one of those currencies through the market button. Here we have the favorites, spot market, and futures options. Let's check the spot market. You can type the coin name from the search box, and you can add your favorite cryptocurrencies to track them easily by clicking on this star icon. You can see the list of top gainers, newest coins, and leading coins under the search box on the right side of the page. Also, you can see the latest price, percentage change, current high and low price, 24 hours market volume, and 24 hours turnover. You can click on this detail button to learn more about every coin, such as its definition, issue date, and public profiles. Also, you can change the language and currency through this button. Now let's continue our training with spot trading. A spot trade is when a trader buys or sells a financial asset, in this case crypto, within specific time frames. Spot trading is the safest way of trading compared to margin and futures trading. Here under the search box we have the parity option, and you can select which parity you would like to use and then type the token name in this search box. For example, I prefer to trade with USDT parity, but you can change it to USDD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Huobi USD, etc. Currently we are on Bitcoin USDT parity, and what you see on the screen is our price graphic. On top of it there are time intervals where you can track your assets for different periods starting from a 1 second to a 1 year timeline. Also, you can switch it to the TradingView version and use the technical tools such as trend lines or support resistance zones. Based on their predictions, traders use this graphic to track if the asset price will fall or increase. Also, you can look at the current market depth as the total buyers and sellers. You will see the price point for each buy and sell order that matters in the current market, and based on this data you can predict if the market price will go up or down. You can watch our technical analysis tutorial to learn how to use it. We have the limit, market, stop limit, and trigger order buttons in here. You must use the limit order button if you are waiting for a specific price point. You can type the price on this box and set the amount from here. After setting up, you can click on the buy or sell buttons. In this way, you can trade with less loss possible. For example, if I use the market button to buy or sell, since the market price is very volatile, I may buy at a higher price and sell at a lower price, where that should be the opposite. And also, as you can see, the set price option is gone now. The system will sell or buy assets based on their current market prices. Stop limit and trigger order options are must-use options. As said earlier, the crypto market is very volatile, and since you cannot be on top of the computer screen all the time, you must set stop limit orders to reduce the chance of losing profit. For example, let's say that I have bought Bitcoin at 24,100 and I'm expecting it to increase to 25,000. But what if it doesn't? And what if I don't have access to my mobile or PC when it starts to decrease? For these types of reasons, one must always set stop loss limit orders. In this way, I can create a sell order at 23,800 and place a trigger for it at 23,900. If the Bitcoin price falls to 23,900, my sell order will open at 23,800. Trigger orders are the same as the stop orders. The only difference is that you can set market orders instead of limit orders. Here we have the order book to track the current buy and sell positions. Also, you can switch it to see only buy or sell orders. Right next to it we have market trades, and here we can track completed orders such as what as of buy or sell, when and how much. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see the open orders and order history dashboard. Here you can track your data and also cancel your order requests. Now let's continue with the margin trade option. You can either use these boxes or select margin trade from here. I prefer these boxes because that way I can also change my leverage from 3x to 5x, and it is easier to access. Leverage trading is any trading that involves borrowing money or otherwise increasing the number of shares involved in trade beyond the number of shares you could afford when paying in cash. And for that reason, it is much easier to lose money. For example, if I open a $100 worth of long position at 5x leverage, the system will buy $500 worth of Bitcoin or any other token in this list. Since I don't have $500, if the Bitcoin price falls only 20%, I will lose my position and get liquidated. Losing money in margin and futures trading is this much easy. For that reason, I suggest you stay in spot trading until you figure out how the market works. Also, you can watch our futures tutorial on our channel to learn more about it. Besides the risk factor, the order types are the same as the spot market. Here you can track your risk rate, total balance, and liquidation price if you have opened any position. In margin trading mode, you can loan money from the Huobi exchange and later pay it with interest. You can transfer your assets to your margin account by clicking on this transfer button and selecting which coins to send. Here on top we have the isolated and cross options. The difference is that if you want to open more than one position or more than one asset, you can open them in the isolated mode to prevent total liquidation. Because if you don't, your whole margin wallet will drop to zero when you get liquidated on one asset, which brings us to the cross mode. Cross mode accounts for your total balance to reduce liquidation probability by maintaining margin requirements. Now let's look at the trading bot. Nowadays, almost every exchange uses its trading bot to make trading easier for new users. Trading bot works based on specific algorithms and calculates the price fluctuations. Based on this data, trading bots automate trading strategies and are applied to amplify trading profits. However, as this is a still developing system, instead of profiting, you may end up losing. There are two ways of using these bots. Either you can go with the AI mode to keep it all autonomous, or the manual mode where you can set your price estimations. If you do it manually, you can also decide how many grids you would like to use. But keep in mind that for each extra grid, your investment requirement will increase. For example, let's set a high and low price levels and choose how many grids we would like to add. If my grid level is 5 for each $1,000 worth of price movement, this trading bot will buy or sell Bitcoin or any other crypto on my behalf. And since my grid level is 5, the minimum amount I must invest is $23. If I change my grid level to 10, then as you can see, the minimum amount I must invest is $45. Now let's continue with derivatives and my favorite, the USDT future contracts. The only difference between USDT and coin contracts is the parity. In USDT contracts, you invest in USDT, and in coin contracts, you invest in USD. Futures trading refers to speculating on the price of cryptocurrencies without owning them. Like commodity or stock futures, cryptocurrency futures enables traders to bet on a digital currency's future price. Futures contracts of any underlying asset are derivatives of that asset. These contracts are bought and sold between two commodities investors, and they speculate about the asset's price at a specific date in the future. If you check the Bitcoin spot market price and Bitcoin futures price, you will see the price difference and volatility. Futures trading is pretty much the same as margin trading, except you cannot loan money and you can open positions with a maximum of 200x leverage. Would you like to lose $1,000 in 2 seconds? Then this is the perfect way of doing it. But if you don't want to lose at least within 2 seconds, you can decrease this leverage to 5x or maximum 10x. Here again we have the limit and trigger order options. The good thing about futures trade is that you can add additional cash to your current positions. For example, let's assume you have opened a sell order for Bitcoin at 25,000 and then increased to 24,500. You didn't exit at 24,000 because based on your assumptions the price will fall back to 22,000. So the price touched the resistance zone at 24,500 and started to fall again. Since you are already in profit, you can add your current earnings to your current position to increase your trading amount. But beware that this will slightly decrease your previous entry point and increase the liquidation probability. And as an addition, we have the trailing stop button here. With this option, we can enter or exit a position after it reaches our expected destination. For example, let's say that Bitcoin indeed falls to $22,000 and you have closed your order and taken your profit. But you are also aware that it will increase back from that point. You may be sleeping or busy at that time, but you can use this option and set a sell or buyback price. Again, we have the cross and isolated modes, but as additions, we have the hedge and one way. As you can understand from the name, if you select one way, you can only open a short or long position for your assets. But if you choose the hedge mode, you can simultaneously open long and short positions. We can track our equity, realized profit and loss, unrealized profit and loss, available margin, position margin, frozen margin, estimated liquidation price, margin ratio, and the adjustment factor. And in addition, you can use this calculator to calculate your target level, margin ratio, and profits based on how much leverage you use. Now let's continue our tour with the staking option. Crypto staking is locking up crypto holdings to obtain rewards or earn interest during a period. Staking allows investors to earn rewards on the cryptocurrencies that they own. You receive yields by committing your digital tokens to support the operation of underlying blockchain. You are currently seeing the available staking options in the Huobi exchange. At the bottom of each option, You can see the estimated yearly revenue rate and the estimated daily earnings for every 100 units of assets. You can purchase the one you want from the spot market and click on this stake button. Staking period starts from 1 week to 1 year depending on the coin, and let's say you want your tokens back, you can click on this button again and reclaim it. But be aware that there will be penalties, such as you won't receive any rewards and your tokens will be back in your spot wallet only after several days. You can participate in the Polkadot Parachain slot auction by keeping DOT tokens, and by voting in one or all of these projects you can receive rewards. Huobi Earn is a variation of the staking option. In addition, you can use the flexible option to redeem your rewards and staked assets without penalties. Also, you can find the featured events for newly listed tokens to receive more yield. Here on top you can see your total assets and daily interest. You can also stake your current Ethereum coins until the merge to receive BET coins. You can borrow crypto assets by showing enough collateral and paying some interest depending on the long term. Dual investment is not available for many regions. I will skip that one for now. And here we have the iToken. You can download this app to use it as your wallet, earn yield, collect NFTs and more. And if you would like to learn more about the crypto world, you can click on this learn option and start learning through Huobi Exchange's various tutorials. Also, if this is your first time in Huobi Exchange, you can earn up to $300 as a welcome gift. Also, if you download the Huobi app, you can click on this rewards hub and scan this code to receive these rewards. Now, last but not least, we have the Huobi Prime List. Huobi Prime List is well known for its highly profitable token listings. The latest one was Hype Token, and you have seen earlier that it currently has a 400% yield for staking. Keep in mind that you can only access through your mobile phone. Through this portal, you can participate in new token listings and get a chance to receive airdrops. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channel. To keep up with the latest videos, news and updates, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter page and Telegram channels. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.